Welcome to day 667 of our Web3 journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein here with my twin brother Brian. And remember, these videos are being sponsored by Desocialworld.com. They are an app built on the Deso blockchain.
Yeah. So there's some news. I know a couple days
Wait,
ago,
wait,
Ed
wait,
and I
wait,
made a
wait, stop. I just want to say we survived day 666 of our videos.
we lived through it. The devil didn't come down and get us. So I'm happy to say that as well. But I want to get to some news. And a couple days ago, Ed and I made a post just asking about Salil Shah, the COO of Deso, and where he was, if he was still with the core team. And I think regardless of if he was or not, I don't really think it's a huge concern. I think the bigger concern is just the fact that we haven't heard what's going on, I think. But according to Darian Parrish, who said that according to Randir, Ash Deso said on an Entra call yesterday that Salil Shah is still with the team, and he's heads down and just working on Deso, working his butt off. So that's good to know. I'd still like to see some interaction with Salil, just so to see some posting, just to know he's still alive on Deso.
Yeah, like just a selfie like with Deso in the background. Just post
Yeah, there
that.
you go. Yeah, but it's good news. Um, like I said, I think that some more activity from Salil would be good just because I think it'll give the community some more confidence. It takes like 10 seconds to make a post on Deso every few days. But moving on, I also want to say something else. William Laurent contacted me, and Web3 and 53, he has this Twitter space show with Michelle Lord. And on Wednesday at 2 p.m., it looks like Fungibles might be on. It doesn't say Fungibles will be on, but the image, as you see here, says Fungibles at the top. I mean, Fungibles could just be a noun, but in
I
this
do know
case,
I do remember last week they talked about fungibles, unless like it's not confirmed yet, so they didn't want to put his name, but they did mention fungibles last week, and I
yeah,
believe
I
they
just don't I just don't want to confirm it because it hasn't been confirmed, but it should be a great Twitter space. Wednesday, 2 p.m. Definitely follow William and Michelle on Twitter. Get their updates, get their notifications of when these 53-minute Twitter space events take place each week.
Yeah, I love those spaces. They're doing a great job. And Salil, just write your name on a piece of paper and hold it up and be like, I'm okay or something.
With the date, like put a newspaper in the background so we know that
Yeah,
it's
good idea.
today's date.
Watch, he'll hold up a sign saying, "Help, Natter's holding me captive."
That
So
would be scary.
Waves Streaming. It's a new project being built on Deso by user VVV1. It has launched, but it's still just a prototype. It's an early iteration that plans to bring live streaming to the blockchain, to the Deso blockchain. They have a they like to think of it as a Twitch meets Twitter type app, of course, built on Web3 social, which is really cool. At this time, none of the engagement features are working on their app, but they are asking you for your feedback. And currently, they only support Twitch, but they do hope to add additional streaming services in the future. If you do have a Twitch account, if you are making posts with your live streaming Twitches on Deso, definitely contact Wave Streaming on Deso, and you can get yourself added to their Discover page. Check it out. There's a link above this video to the blog post they made, and has a direct link to their app as well.
Yeah, and Desofy had an announcement yesterday that the creator coin charts on the app are currently appearing empty. They said that they're going to remove the charts on the next update because they're not working correctly, and that they're undergoing some infrastructure changes to show more accurate data in the future. So getting rid of the charts, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. These updates should make things a lot more accurate, and Desofy continues to push forward, which is great.
Yeah, I love what Ribble is doing with Desofy, and I think his name's pronounced Ribble, not Ribble. We always said Ribble, but I was listening to Design Style Sisters in their Twitter space with Michelle Lord and William Rent last week, and they are referring to him as Ribble. So sorry for mispronouncing your name
Right.
for the last 667 days, Ribble, but You should have told us, right?
Maybe he doesn't care. Maybe he's just a laid back guy. It's like Krasenstein or Krasenstein. We don't
That's
care, right?
that's a good point. So as many of you know, NFTZ.me is the only place where you can post and view live timed Deso NFT auctions on the Deso blockchain. Just go to nftz.me/auctions and you can see all the auctions ending in the next couple of days. I want to highlight a few that are ending in the next 24 hours. Deso art underscore NFT has several intriguing looking designs up for auction. If you haven't checked out these creations by this awesome artist, definitely do so. They end up at around 1 p.m. Eastern time today. And the minimum bid's 0 DSO. So you could bid anything and maybe win it. Minio is auctioning off several mice heads NFTs. I love the mice heads. They end at 6 p.m. Eastern time this evening. So check those out. And Glow Art has more of his awesome alien beer ad NFTs. So these are like alien beer ads. If you, whatever you would imagine an alien beer ad you look like, these are them. I don't know if he uses AI in the creation or if they're created by himself, but either way, they're really amazing to just look at. So check those out. They end at 6 p.m. Eastern time today as well.
Yeah, and I quickly want to get the top 10 NFT bidders on the Deso blockchain over the last 24 hours, thanks to NFTZ for this list. Zer1, followed by Ambitious Lynch, Steadfast LLC, Eat Green Apples, Apple Baby Deso. Wow, apples are on a roll.
Yeah.
Happy Larry, Nimble Yas, Dragonstone, FP Fund, and Unicat, and the top Diamond A creators on the Deso blockchain in the last 24 hours. Thanks to our friends at Alton-Base for this list. These people received the most diamonds or tips on their posts and replies on the Deso blockchain in the last day. Striga was number one, followed by photographer Elric Ericos, Minio, Underdogs, Sewajuga, Arapete, Now and Then, Deanne 4IK, Longo, and our unofficial intern Goldberry.
How's my hair look? Less greasy today, Brian?
Yeah, I guess that shower did the trick.
No,
You
like
don't
the green
seem to even.
screen's working today. There's no bugs in it today. I think
Yeah,
I
I
got the
told
lighting
you
right. Here, check
you
this
needed
out.
a shower.
How's that? All right, so that's all the news we have for today. Everybody have a great rest of your Sunday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.